Welcome to Birds and Bees Resort, your gateway to tranquility and comfort in beautiful Pattaya. For those seeking an effortless booking experience, simply scan the QR code displayed now or consult the description below for direct access and further details. Birds and Bees Resort, discreetly located just 2 kilometers from the vibrant heart of Pattaya, offers an exquisite escape for the discerning traveler. Established in 2008 and meticulously renovated in 2025, this haven of serenity features 59 meticulously appointed rooms, each designed to evoke a sense of calm and well-being. Imagine waking to the gentle caress of the morning sun before indulging in a leisurely breakfast. The resort, an oasis of sophisticated ambience, specifically caters to adult travelers, ensuring an environment of refined relaxation. Guests can easily explore Pattaya's famed attractions, knowing the airport is a convenient 80-minute drive away. The check-in experience commences at 3 in the afternoon, while a relaxed checkout is available until noon. Here, in the embrace of lush surroundings, you'll discover a bar serving refreshing cocktails, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. Wander through the resort's beautifully manicured garden, a verdant sanctuary providing moments of peaceful contemplation. Experience the seamless connectivity provided by free Wi-Fi and the convenience of on-site parking. Whether you're seeking a romantic rendezvous or a personal retreat, Birds and Bees Resort promises an unforgettable sojourn, immersed in the natural beauty and captivating culture of Pattaya. Now, to secure your escape to this tranquil paradise, don't forget the QR code.